Hey, to set alarm clock on the POCO M6 Pro, first you will have to open your clock. Then you'll have to click on this icon. And when you have this alarm presets, you can activate these default presets by clicking on this switchers. If you need to get more than 3 alarms, for sure you can add them by clicking on the plus. But if you want to just set the normal alarm to wake up, for example, for tomorrow, and just click on it when you turn it on, and from here you can customize this wake time. When you click on the additional settings, you can change the ringtone. You can also pick something from your ringtones. So here you got the local ringtones or pre-install ringtones. You can also set the repeat. So once daily from Monday to Friday, or set the custom and unselect the days that you want. You can also turn on and off the vibrations when the alarm sounds. And also you can add your custom label. After this, click on the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see, alarm will go off in 12 hours. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.